So today we got these images right here. Now you might say, is this the Pixel Fold 2? No. What this is actually is this is a development / a prototype of the Pixel Fold 1. So when there was, the long awaiting time of the Pixel Fold 1, there was two different iterations of the Pixel Fold 1, or two different names. We had the Pixel Fold, well, I guess I wouldn't call it Pixel Fold, call it the Passport, and then it became the Pipet. So the Passport is really what we got, in all honesty. But what ended up happening in the end, technically, was both of these phones got combined and worked out to become the Pixel Fold we know and love today. But this was the original, one of the original prototypes that was in the developmental stage of the whole situation. So again, as they are creating these foldable cell phones, they have different iterations, different development stages. That's why, again, at the end of the day, we looked at leak images of all types of phone on this channel. But at the end of the day, a lot of these are just either dummy units or the development units, and they might not look like the final iteration of the phone. Now, this one looks very much like it. This is late in the process, the Pipet, which was the final name before the Pixel Fold 1. Sorry, not 2. Pixel Fold 1. So this looks very much like the Pixel Fold. The only real difference is the camera looks different. There's a cool design on the back here that I don't think is on the Pixel Fold 1. I don't believe. I have a case on mine, so I haven't looked at the back in quite a while. But other than that, it looks very much identical, right? Now, of course, under the hood, it's not going to be identical. It's going to be a little bit worse than the Pixel Fold 1. Again, just a development unit. But that's kind of like, again, what we can expect when it comes to most development units. Again, it's not going to be the finalized version, but it gives you indication of what the final product would look like. Now, apparently, they did actually experiment on getting some stylus support on the Pipet, which obviously is not on the final Pixel Fold. So kind of interesting. And that's, again, stuff they're going to experiment on when it comes to that kind of stuff. Now, of course, we do have the Pixel Fold 2 coming out this year. Hopefully we get some, very much similar look to this on the Pixel Fold 2. But at the end of the day, you never know. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.